Listen how the fucking day is. Listen up, listen up. Now I know why. Now I know why suicide unlocks his doors. And just to be sure, put Lance Blood straight up on that bitch, to enforce the powers of the fucking boards. And never trust the fucking guy on the couch, he'll snitch you out. It's the one, first one down there on the left. When that door swung, so did my freedom of choice, my constitution, my humanly rights, cause I didn't get a choice. Funny, huh? Everyone else that wanna take the choice and make the promise, no matter how much you are against it and resist them for so long, cause you know that deep inside your soul that maybe you won't right, you know. But now you think that is half your soul. So which one? This time I lock my door. Oh wait, guess what? I don't fucking have a door. I have these weeds inside the trees, the forest, baby forward. I was born through the forest with the swords, from the crimson blood of the ancient forest yells. My Viking soul didn't know enough to lock a dog at that fucking door. Now I know how suicide unlocks the fucking door. And just to be fucking sure, put Lance Blood on that bitch, to enforce the boards. And never trust the fucking guy on the couch, he'll spit you out. And it's the first one on the fucking left. When that door swung, so did it. Just fuck out. And all my possessions are gone out. And I put the blame on anybody but myself. You know, once lessons fucking learned, at least that wasn't fucking hidden fucking shit. I kinda felt used the whole fucking time on one. I actually some love and thought it would be different. My soul unwinds. Fuck it all, I'm not drinking wines, whiskeys, beers, methamphetamines, weeds, and all that shit. I get fucking, I'm so disgusted. It's what I did. My things will never be the same. I will never be the same. The blood inside is tainted. It's tainted, it's tainted. Collapsing quick. Collapsing quick. Because I fucking hit my knees and collapsed. You bet your ass I did. Inside of me. Sad fucking parts out, it was worth it inside my fucking eyes. The love that I felt, such a short time. 31 fucking years to find a way, man. There's a reason why the women drive the fucking automatics, not the manuals. Their fucking brains, they can't stand it. Just stay home, clean the dishes, wash the kids. Fuck it, I'm not sexist, but if you can't, motherfucker, have respect to give a choice to someone else and think that your whole fucking life and their problems are just selfishness. Roll your eyes, just like my mama. There's a reason why she is where she is, all alone. All alone, at least she has the door. Now I know why suicide unlocks his fucking doors. And just in case, put Lance Blood on that bitch, to enforce the powers of the boards. Never trust the fucking punk bitch on the couch. There's a reason why I flipped the fuck out and attacked him in the dead of night and shit, and then got thrown out the door. Okay.